Want to know how you can use Instacart safely? Well, to use Instacart safely, you want to prioritize secure payment methods like PayPal or credit cards. You can also use strong passwords for your account and enable multi-factor authentication. If you're using public Wi-Fi, you want to be cautious and always keep your devices and Instacart updated with the latest security patches. So first, for account security, you can use strong unique passwords. Avoid reusing passwords across multiple platforms. You can also enable multi-factor authentication. Make sure to be cautious of phishing attempts. Instacart will never ask you for your password or personal information through email or text, so be aware of it. Make sure to keep your account information secure, and if you suspect unauthorized access, you can contact customer support. Similarly, for security or payment security, you can use secure payment methods. Opt for PayPal or credit cards which offer stronger protections. Avoid using public Wi-Fi when making payments and be aware of payment scams as well. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.